Clinical Counseling by Caitlin Russell, CST 100. Counseling. A career in counseling has the potential to be very rewarding, even if it's a difficult position. There will always be a need for counselors because there will always be a variety of issues that people must deal with. Some of these issues are grief counseling, substance abuse, and mental illnesses. Counseling is a very broad field with potential for growth. Extensive training is needed to work in this field. So what does it take? In the following slides, I will take you through some of the requirements to become a clinical counselor. Education requirements. According to Dr. Lower with Capella University, a master's degree in counseling is needed to work as a clinical counselor. Typically, your bachelor's must also be in a related field to bridge over into this program. You must be certified and licensed in the states you plan to practice in before beginning work as a counselor. Salary information. So what is a typical salary for this position? Salary and growth. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor, the median salary for a clinical counselor in 2018 was $44,630. They also estimate this career will grow 22% from 2018 to 2028. Job security. There are many paths for a clinical counselor to take, allowing anyone in this field the possibility of both job security and satisfaction. Specialization. According to Kendra Cherry with Wellmind.com, there are a multitude of prospective specialties when working in this field. Some of these areas of interest include, but are not limited to, substance abuse, marriage and family, eating disorders, mental illness, and grief. Anyone working in this career is opening themselves up to a world of opportunities. Almost any age group or setting is also possible for someone working in this field. Conclusion. The education required in this field is extensive. The expected job growth is quite large in the foreseeable future. In this career, there will always be an opportunity to help people. The groups that a counselor will be working with will present different issues in a variety of situations. Someone willing to work hard and earn the education required will find this to be a rewarding career. Clinical counseling is a field full of heartache and joy like no other.